Hello viewers, we want to solve for x and y in this nice algebraic expression. Okay, so from our solution we have x plus y equals to 40, then x minus x multiplied by y equals to 96. We assume this to be equation 2 and this to be equation 1. So we take both as equation 1 and equation 2. So from here we need to find y. So y can be taken from equation 1 and y will be equals to 40 multiply subtract with x. So then we can input this into equation 2. So we have x into bracket 40 minus x equals to 96. So we then expand the left hand side. We have 40x minus x squared. Okay, so equals to 96. So we can write it as minus x squared plus 40x. Moving the 96 to the left hand side, we have minus 96. Everything will be equals to 0. So we subtract minus from the expression. We have x squared minus 40x plus 96 all equals to 0. So using our quadratic formula, we use it to resolve this quadratic equation. So we now have x to be equals to 40 plus or minus square root of minus 40 raised to power 2 minus 4 multiplied by 1 and multiplied by 96. Everything over 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, so that will give us 40 plus or minus square root. Okay, then 40 squared will give us 1600 minus 384. Okay, if we multiply this together, so all over 2. So we have 40 plus or minus, we will subtract this, so we have square root of 1216 over 2. So we can also split this to factorize this. So we have 40 plus or minus square root of 16 multiplied by 76. Okay, and that will be over 2. So and that gives us 40 plus or minus square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 76 over 2. So 40 plus or minus the square root of 16, we have 4, then square root of 76 all over 2. Okay, so 2 here, we have 1, 2 in 4, 2, 2 in 40, we have 20. Then we have x to be 20 plus or minus 2 square root of 76 will be our value for the value of x1 and x2. Okay, so I haven't gotten the value of x1 and x2, so we have x1 equals to 20 plus 2 square root of 76, then x2 equals to 20 minus 2 square root of 76. So we need to find our y. Okay, then to get our y, we use our formula. So to get y, we y equals to 40 minus x. So that will now give us y1 to be equals to 40 minus x1. x1. We substitute that, we have 40 minus 20 plus 2 square root of what? 76. Okay, so if we resolve this, we have 20 minus, okay, minus 2 square root of 76, and that will be y1. So y2 will be given as 40 minus x2, which is equals to 40 minus 20 plus 2 square root of 76, and that will be equals to 20 plus 2 square root of 76, which is going to be our y2. Okay, so our y1, x1, y1 gives us x as 20 plus 2 square root of 76, comma 20 minus 2 square root of 76. Okay, and our x2, y2 will be equals to 20 minus 2 square root of 76, comma 20 plus 2 square root of 76. So this is our value of xy and x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, to verify the correctness of our equation, we have verification. Okay, and that gives us x plus y equals to 40. So if we slot in our value, we have 220 plus 2 square root of 76, then plus y 20 minus 2 square root of 76, everything equals to 40. So negative of this radical expression, we go with the positive one. So we have 20 plus 20, okay, equals to 40. Then 40 will be equals to 40. So for the other expression, we have xy equals to 96. So if we input our value here, we have 20 plus 2 square root of 76 multiplied by 20 minus 2 square root of 76, everything equals to 96. So if we multiply all through, so we have our expression to be 400 minus 20 into bracket 2 square root of 76 plus 20 into bracket 2 square root of 76 minus 4 multiplied by 76, all equals to 96. So this, we go with this, we are left with 400 minus, so this multiplied by this will give us 304, okay, equals to 96. So if we subtract this, then we have 96 equals to 96, which proves the correctness of our equation and our solution as x and y. Continue with the next video. We'll see in the next one.